It's heavy. Move back.
I know that. The day in.
Well, that's what I'm saying. Nobody's gonna.
You have to move back, guys. Move back.
Move back, move back.
Let's stop, bro. Stop.
Yo. Oh, it's heavy. It's heavy. It's heavy. Yo, it's heavy. Yeah.
Chill. Oh, shit.
Look at those bears. Boom. Kobe.
Whoa, what's that sound? I heard cha-ching. Oh, snap. Oh, what's good, y'all? I didn't even know I'm recording. What's up? My peoples, was good. I just came back from the loop. I'm exhausted. As you can see, it's like a tower right now. You know, I have a whole bunch of sneakers in my hand. Look at this right now. Look at all of these sneakers I have right now. Look at this. I could literally hide. Look at all of these sneakers. Oh, man. What a day. Today was a movie, guys. But you know, it's your boy. I'm back in on a go-go. I can help you step your style up. I can help you step your game up. Let me know. I'm on every platform. Shout out to all my subscribers for always tuning in, always watching my videos. Thank you so much. And if you see me outside, you watch my videos, yo, thank you so much. You know what I'm saying? Like, and yo, you know, I'm a friendly person, you know? I'm a friendly guy. You could come see me out in person. If you ever in New York, I'm everywhere. I'm in Brooklyn, Bronx, wherever, you name it. I'm everywhere. And yeah, you know, I'm going to start doing a lot of cool content. So stay tuned for that, guys. I'm giving you raw footage of the releases of many different things, you know what I'm saying? And get money tips, you know what I'm saying? So I can help you guys, you know? But I do this. I'm an entrepreneur. I do this full time. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, you know, live on my own. Thank God. You know, everything is lit. Everything is lit. So enough about that. I know you see it in the title. I know you see it in the beginning. Kobe was bananas. It was crazy. Today was crazy. I'm like, damn, people really going crazy for Kobe. I'm like, yo, you would have thought it went for $1,000. Yo, people was yo, that was funny as shit today. I ain't gonna front. Like, I had to do everything on footwork. I got like 10 pairs. I sold another pair to the bro. You know, I met a dude outside online. It was crazy. It was crazy. I should have recorded. And that's another thing too. I'm gonna start recording everything. Like, I be getting certain things, but it be epic. It be epic. And this be real life. You know what I'm saying? This is real life's thing. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm doing this shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, real life shit. I'm not talking about like how people be faking it. You know what I'm saying? You guys know how people be faking videos now. This is real life. So you know what I'm saying? So you know how it goes when you record something, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna record everything. I'm giving you guys the raw footage of every single drop that I go to, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, I'm gonna just show y'all how New York City gets, you know what I'm saying? If you from New York City, let me get a ear in the comments right now. Let me get that. But enough about that. It's new Kobe Day. You know, today was Kobe. You know what I'm saying? The What the Kobe. So the What the Kobe's, if you don't know, it came out in what, 2009 or 2012. The What the Kobe is this color right here, right? Is this color. Pretty cool, you know what I'm saying? But that was the first colorway, you know, on the What the Kobe's. And, you know, Nike, they do different silhouettes on the What the. They did the SBs, they did the Jordan 4s, and etc., you know. Many different What the silhouettes. So they decide to, you know what, let's do them. Let's make the What the and the Kobe's, you know. So that's what we have right here in my hand. I got a lot of pairs. I had like 10 pairs. Now I have like 8 pairs. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, Kobe, and me and my boy, we actually cooked up. Yo, shout out to my son, Rocket. You know what I'm saying? My son, Kid Rocket, you know who you are. You know what I'm saying? The bro. None of this, you know what I'm saying, shit would be possible. Shout out to my boy. You already know. And shout out to a lot of my other men, you know what I'm saying, that do a little something, that do a little whatever information, like, yo, go there. You know, that's what it's all about, helping each other get to the bag, you know what I'm saying? Like, and we're all inspiring each other, you know what I'm saying? It's not all about really money. It's all about how can you work together? Can we work together? You know what I'm saying? That's the biggest thing above money, you know, loyalty. Where's your loyalty? You know what I'm saying? So all these things play a big role for me, you know what I'm saying? If we could work together, first you gotta be loyal. First, you can't be on no money, so you gotta, it's your mind, you know what I'm saying? It's all about the mind, but enough about that. Kobe. So the Kobe come in the all black, you know, black box, you know, snake skin, you know, as you can see, snake skin, black box, really fire, super duper fire. You know, got the gold writing on it. It's you know, his initial. Super fire. Hold on, let me see. Ear. What's good, bro? Kobe's. So, you know, I got a couple sizes, you know, me, you know, and then my boy, you know, we got a lot of sizes together. So I got 10. I was able to get 10 and etc. If you want to know, you know, I'm gonna show it in the clip, the sizes. But yeah, let me know if you want a size. You know, I'm from New York City. If you want to do a meetup, hit me up in the comments. I'm happy to do it. So Kobe's, these are the What the Kobe's, all black. The paper is fire. You know, the paper, you know, really nice, good quality paper. You know, Kobe initials, and bam, here we go. This is what we've been waiting for. I've been waiting for what? I've been waiting for like a couple weeks now for these. Now that they're released, I'm happy to have them. And these are fantastic. Let me know your thoughts on a scale of 1 to 10. What are you rating these? Honestly, these are great ball sneakers. You know what I'm saying? You can't go wrong with Kobe. You can't go wrong. And what the? Oh, man. What the? These are crazy. Woo, woo, woo. It's lit. I'm lit. Hey, I'm lit. Woo, woo, woo. Ah, it smells so good, guys. And this is a perfect way to tell if a sneaker is fake or real. By the smell of the sneaker. You know what I'm saying? Just by the smell, you can tell automatically if it's fake. This smells fresh, like no glue smell, no material smell. It just smells like, you know, just fresh. And look at the details. Look at the details on the right foot. Oh my God. You got a hint of orange, or, you know, you hit an orange in different patterns all around right here. You know, all the different patterns. Wow. I'm gonna show you guys a close-up. But these are crazy. These are what the. Yo, these are wild. So you know, you got the hint of orange, then you got the, look at the shoelace. The way how the shoelace, you got green combined with orange. Let me look at this real quick. You got the shoelace green match. You got the yo, what the? Yo, what the? These are wild. Okay, so you got the orange and green shoelace. Then I love the hint of the tag. This is the Kobe initial. I love the details of this, of the tongue. I like that with the Kobe initials. I love that. And then the hint of the check green. I like the green on it. You know, lime green is pretty nice. I like the way how they did the contrast with this, with the check, and then on this side, and then you got the green. Yeah. I feel like the right side of the foot is pretty cool, really cool, you know. And then you have the blue side. Honestly, I think for me, I love the blue side. Oh, look at the Nike part. This is different. This don't have that. You see this? This is different, but this is like a 3M. A 3M. That's fire. This is fire right here. I love this. This is my favorite one. Like, honestly, you know what people would do? Like, they'll probably wear, yo, these are funny. Say if you have two pairs, right? Two size 10. All you have to do is switch them out the box. Have a right foot blue and have this color. So you can literally walk out with two, you know. It's pretty creative. Pretty creative. Really creative. I ain't gonna lie. I wish that, you know what I wish? Okay, so boom, they got the blue details, you know, different patterns. Pretty cool. I love that creativity. I love that. Then you got the orange with the blue shoelace. And they give you multiple shoelace. So they give you green shoelace and then they give you this shoelace. Honestly, this sneakers is really creative. And then look at the purple. Look at the tag. Oh, that's fire. What? Look at that. You got the purple tongue with the... Oh, this is fire. I love how they did the top part. With the purple mixed with the blue, with the Kobe. I like that part. It's pretty fire. Only thing is, these two sneakers look like a total different sneaker. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's not like it contrasts perfectly together. Because this is orange and this is like blue. Even though it have a little, and this is like red. If you notice, this is like red right here. All around it is like red and blue shoelace. So when you think about it, it's like, what the? I don't see no, you know, like the first what the Kobe's, it made sense. Like both part was gray, you know, and then they both had, you know, they both complemented each other. You know what I'm saying? They had different colors. It was similar colors. But these, I feel like these Kobe's is just way off. I think these two makes it look like a total, you know what I'm saying? Total different sneaker. I don't know. It's like I'm wearing, I don't know. What's your thoughts on these guys? For me, I rate it. Would I wear it? No. I would never wear these. I'll tell you that much. But for people, yeah, for chicks, yeah, you know, for chicks, when you playing sports, yeah, these are perfect for playing sports. You know, you can't go wrong with Kobe's, you know, and you'll definitely be different on the court, you know, definitely be different. And I would say these are comfortable, and it got like a knitted part right here, like a knitted part, so you could wear these perfect in the summertime. Your feet, you know, won't sweat and stuff, so it's really breathable. That's really good about these. You know, it's really breathable, pretty comfortable. I rate these. I'll give it an 8. I'll give these an 8. Yeah, guys. So you can see the details. Look at that, and look at this. Ooh, I got 10, 9, 10, 10, 10. Oh man, 11, 11, 10 and a half, 10, 10, 9 and a half, 10. And a 10. Woo! These are fire. You see the detail, guys? Look at the details. Just look at this. Oh, man. Then you got the red check. You see? Oh, that's like a snakeskin. Oh, that's like a snakeskin detail. That's fire. Oh, then you got the Kobe initial red. Okay, it's looking really good. And as you see, the pattern. What pattern? What is this? Pretty interesting. Maybe you guys know in the comments. What is this that I'm looking at? What is that pattern? What is that? And then you see the 3M. You see that? The reflect. You see that? That's fire. Then you got the blue part. Okay, that's fire. Okay, okay. And then look at the tongue. Oh, that's fire. Look at that detail. That's fire. I just want you guys to get a close-up view. Look at that. Look at that. Crazy. Then look at this. Crazy. Yep. Oh, this is snake skin too. Creativity. They haven't did a water in a long time, and I don't think we're gonna see another water sneaker. So, you know. But yeah, guys, let me know your thoughts. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for always watching. You know, would I tow it? I'm not towing these, but let me know if you want to tow it. If you need a pair, I got you guys. Okay, you can find me on Instagram. You can find me on etc. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe. You know, and yeah, it's lit. Make sure you stay healthy. Drink your water. Over and out, guys. See you later, guys. So these are the Kobe's, all the pairs of the Kobe's. But yeah, we cooked up. It was easy, light work, you know what I'm saying? But, you know, we went to a lot of places to get all these pairs. And, you know, this is just inspiration. You know, you could do it too. You know, it takes a lot of work. You know, this stuff ain't easy, but, you know, you can definitely do this. But thank you for always watching my videos. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy, Ant on the Go-Go. I'm over and out. And, yeah, a lot of Kobe's for my customers. You know, I'm about to sell these within 2 days. So 2 days. Let me know if you want a pair. These are about to fly in 3, 2, 1. See you guys later. It's